Ever wondered how your car magically finds the right balance between speed and power? Today on Knowledge Hub, we're shifting into the world of gearboxes, those unsung heroes that translate raw engine power into smooth usable motion. At the heart of it all are gears, precisely cut-toothed wheels that mesh together to control torque and rotational speed. Think of torque as the pulling strength and speed as how fast that strength is applied. A small gear driving a larger one increases torque but slows rotation, perfect for pulling away from a stop or climbing steep hills, while a large gear spinning a smaller one sacrifices torque for higher speed, ideal for cruising down the highway. In a manual gearbox, these gears are arranged on parallel shafts, the input shaft connected to the engine, the lay shaft carrying intermediate gears, and the output shaft sending power to the wheels. All gears are in constant mesh, but only one ratio is engaged at a time, locked in place by a sleeve. A clever device called a Synchromesh uses friction to match the speeds of the gears and shafts before engagement, making shifts smooth and preventing that awful grinding sound. The clutch plays its part by disconnecting the engine momentarily, giving you time to select the perfect ratio for the job. Automatics take a different approach. Instead of a clutch, they use a torque converter, a sealed housing filled with transmission fluid, where an impeller driven by the engine spins the fluid to turn a turbine connected to the gearbox. This fluid coupling not only allows the car to stop without stalling but also multiplies torque at low speeds. Inside, you'll find planetary gear sets, compact arrangements of sun gears, planet gears, and ring gears that can produce multiple ratios just by holding or releasing different components with clutches and bands. Continuously variable transmissions, or CVTs, throw away the idea of fixed gears entirely. They use a belt or chain running between two pulleys with adjustable diameters, creating an infinite range of gear ratios so the engine can always run at its most efficient RPM. Dual clutch transmissions bring a blend of manual precision and automatic convenience, using two separate clutches, one for odd-numbered gears and one for even. So, a one gear is driving. The next is already pre-selected for lightning-fast shifts with almost no power interruption. Automated manuals or single-clutch systems are simpler. They're essentially manual gearboxes operated by computers and actuators, making them lighter and cheaper, but often delivering jerky low-speed performance. Each type of gearbox is a balance between complexity, efficiency, smoothness, and driver engagement. Manual transmissions offer ultimate control and simplicity. Torque converter automatics deliver smooth and reliable shifts. CVTs maximize efficiency. Dual clutch systems excel in performance, and automated manuals keep costs down. No matter the type, they all share one mission: to keep the engine in its sweet spot, delivering exactly the power your wheels need for the situation. So next time you accelerate onto the highway or crawl through city traffic, remember, there's a world of mechanical precision, fluid dynamics, and electronic wizardry working silently between your engine and wheels. If you have enjoyed this deep dive into the engineering magic under your car's hood, make sure to subscribe, because here at Knowledge Hub, we make complex tech crystal clear. And as always, stay curious.